Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on an engine, guys, that you can actually find in Jeep Compass and Jeep Renegade. So it will be very helpful video, guys, if you have engine light on and you have code P2097, P2097, guys. We'll explain the top reasons that we see here at the shop that cause that code and how to fix it. So make sure, guys, you stay with us until the very end. We'll share everything with you guys. Now, as you can see, the engine is out. Why? This is simply because, guys, we did an engine replacement. In the meantime, we made about 100 videos taking this engine apart and showing you how to replace almost every component on it. Another thing, guys, with the engine out, we can show you with a great detail how things are and how to do things. In the meantime, we're in the process of making about 100 videos for engine codes, diagnostics and common problems. And why we do all that? Just because, guys, our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, this is, guys, the engine. This is out of a 2017 Jeep. Many of you guys constantly ask me what computer we use, so I'm going to explain to you guys the scanner that we recommend. Nothing sponsored here, it's purchased with our own money, guys, but it's my preferable tool for daily use, guys. And if you need any tools or parts to buy for your Jeep, guys, or the scanner, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. This is the scanner itself. It works on every Asian vehicle you can think of, pretty much, guys, especially the ones we get here in the US, all the European cars as well. Pretty much every car, even Lamborghinis, guys. It works on all US vehicles and we constantly use it on Jeep, Dodge and Chrysler. We use it multiple times, guys, and we love that scanner. But what can cause that code now? Okay, this code, guys, okay, relates to downstream oxygen sensor. Make sure you stay until the end. We're going to show you the engine put together with the exhaust manifold in a little bit, okay? But you can see, guys, we removed the engine out of the car. The only thing that we did, we painted the cover now. When we remove the engine, okay, next scene you're going to see the engine put together with the exhaust manifold and the downstream oxygen sensor. Now, that code indicates, guys, okay, that there is a problem with the fuel system. It means that your engine is running, guys, rich. Okay, this is, guys, okay, meaning that your engine is getting more fuel or it's not getting enough air, guys. And what can trigger that? Usually, number one reason that people don't think about that, it could be a dirty air filter. Dirty air filter and will prevent the engine from getting enough air. It could be on Jeep Renegade you get mass airflow sensor. Okay, this is the sensor that detects how much fuel, air the engine gets, so it can adjust the fuel. The mass airflow sensor is located on the air filter box. On Jeep Compass, you don't have MAF sensor, but you have on both cars, actually, you have MAP sensor. In Jeep Compass, mostly we'll use the MAP sensor to detect how much air it's getting through the MAP sensor, but a bad MAP sensor can cause that on both vehicles, guys. Now, another thing, guys, okay, it could be that the engine is getting more fuel, and that could be caused by leaking fuel injector or fuel pressure regulator. Your fuel injector is on the rear side of the engine. That's your fuel rail, that's your fuel injectors, okay, right there. So if you guys have leaking fuel injector, your engine will be getting more fuel. Also, if you have a fuel regulator that's allowing higher pressure fuel to get to the engine, your injectors will spray more fuel. That will result in that code as well. Now, another thing, it could be bad catalytic converter. This right here, okay, next thing you'll see the engine put together. This is your catalytic converter right there, guys, and catalytic converter can cause that as well. Or a bad oxygen sensor, downstream oxygen sensor. This right here, this is the second sensor, guys, the one after the catalytic converter that it's monitoring if the catalytic converter is doing its job. So this, I'll say, the most common ones are dirty air filter. It's actually, guys, bad oxygen sensor, bad catalytic converter and bad fuel delivery. So it means that the engine is getting more fuel. So check all these, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.